My mother was very, very upstanding. Her view of Jewishness, even her view of Jewish religion, was um, she assumed that religion, she had this assumption. She would not have understood like the phenomenon that we see today, let's say often in the news, of very right-wing Jewish people. We had a neighbor, a very old lady, that when many, she was about 100 at that time, and many, many years earlier, my mother told me a story that during a strike of the garment trade workers, she used to make sandwiches for the workers, striking workers, even though her family was not. I think they had a small business. And I say, oh, really? I would never have suspected. And my mother would say, what are you talking about? She was a very religious woman. And there was a story too about like a family that had a coal business, but they used to distribute coal to people for free that they felt couldn't afford. And so she would say the same thing. What are you talking about? I would say, really? They used to do that? She said, of course, they were very religious people. Her conception of what it meant to be Jewish was that. This was our upbringing. These were our Jewish values, so to speak.